Do you need content in several languages at once? Here's how to do it instantly with the AI tool LogicBalls. Hey everybody, today we're going to look at how you can easily generate language focused captions or post details using the AI bot LogicBalls. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and then search for LogicBalls on the search bar. Go to logicballs.com and hit enter. Now you'll be directed over to this interface. All you have to do here is paste or type the text that you want to translate or describe your topic. You can do something like a short Instagram post announcing our weekend sale on hiking gear. So you can do something like this. Right below your description, you can write your prompt, something like write this post in English, Spanish, or whichever other language you want. Let's just do Portuguese. And then once you have done that, you could just go ahead and write additional instruction like make the tone friendly and persuasive. Just hit enter. And then right below that, it will automatically return a polished text in each language with no complicated setups, just clear, natural sounding sentences. Now you can just scan the results and then adjust any local slangs or product terms. Then copy the version you need straight into the social media, blog, or an email. So here are the results. Now you can just copy them by pressing the copy button down below. Adjust according to your liking, and you should be good to go. That's how you can generate multiple languages with just one prompt. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.